Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Returnly to reduce return friction, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Returnly account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Integrations tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on the Integrations tab to open the integration options. Locate the section labeled E-commerce platforms. Identify the platform you are using, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Click on the platform name to access the integration setup. Follow the on-screen instructions specific to your platform. If prompted, authorize Returnly to connect with your store. Enter any required API keys or credentials for your e-commerce platform. Once the integration is established, go to your Returnly settings. Customize your return policy to fit your business needs. Explore the options for return labels and shipping methods. Set up automated email notifications to keep customers informed. Test the return process by initiating a return from your store. Make adjustments to the settings as needed based on the test results. Once satisfied, save your settings to finalize the integration. Inform your team about the new return process and any changes. Monitor the return process and gather feedback from customers. Make continuous improvements as necessary to reduce return friction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.